Mathomo icigo-ini iria ikoretwo igumiirwo ni uhaguku wa ugitiri kumana na tharikira cia ITOI cia uici wa mahiu makoretwo makigucia undu uria uracungiriria arutwo gutigwo na thutha. Kuringana na atongoria kiama-ini kia Arutani, KNUT, thirikari kuhitukira honge cia ugitiri iri na itemi ria gutigirira arutwo hamwe na arutani ni magacirithirio ugitiri wa kuigana.
Many schools in this region have been closed. And our teachers and learners are insecure. For how long are we going to see our teachers dying? For how long are we going to see our learners dying?
Icigo-ini ici ni hamwe na kaunti ya Samburu, Baringo, West Pokot, Elgeyo Marakwet hamwe na kaunti ya Narok. Munini wa muikariri giti kiama-ini kia KNUT akiuga arutwo thukuru-ini makoretwo magithoma mehugite.
We are killing the next generation. So the government must do something. The government has been promising. In some regions, you remember the president had said that they are going to send the National Police Reservists to take care of those areas. And in particular schools. Let them post police officers to schools in those areas.
Hamwe noguo atongoria ya MOUGITE arutwo aria matanyite guikarira kigeranio kia muthia wa mwaka ni makoretwo mahaririirio ni arutani na muhinga munene urio magumeire ni uhaguku wa ugitiri.
Call upon the government to come in and ensure that those places become safe for both learners and also the teachers of Kenya.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.